Hey guys, Ben here from Airsoft. Today I'm going to be reviewing and shooting the Lancer Tactical M4. It comes in two colors, tan and black. I got the tan one. I got it from Airsoft Megastore. It features two flip-up sights, one in the back and one in the front. This optic does not come with it, neither does this GoPro mount. I mounted that myself. It has an adjustable hop-up right here, and you could just adjust it right there. This comes off right here. You have to unscrew it, but I like to marry with it. This stock, you can just like how you want it, like that. The batteries are stored right here in the back. And it comes with one nunchuck battery cell. It comes with a jamming rod / cleaning rod. It has a 300 round high cap mag it comes with the wheel on the bottom. Has semi-automatic right there, semi-automatic, fully automatic, and a safety. It comes with two Lancer Tactical stickers, a Lancer Tactical patch, and a target to practice. This is the box it came with, right here. Now let's try the shooting test. Hey guys, now we're going to be doing the shooting test. I'm going to start off at semi-automatic and then work my way up to fully automatic. Now for fully automatic. And that was the gun, how it shoots. So you can see right here, I got a couple in the middle. I was kind of shaking, like moving a little bit. But overall, the gun is pretty accurate. Those are probably just my fault right there, these top ones. So that's the Lancer Tactical M4. I would recommend this gun. So see you guys next time.